Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong subject, no? And I think this is good news for everybody dahil marami nagre-request nito, no, before. And now finally, no, magkakaroon tayo ng series on trigonometry, no? So, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong mga videos on subjects like calculus and pre-calculus, pero tinigil ko munang mag-upload, no, kasi gusto ko ay mas unahin yung trigonometry and algebra kasi yun ang pinaka-foundation natin para tayo ay mapunta sa calculus at sa pre-calculus, no? So, this is our first video on trigonometry, and ang trigonometry ay galing siya sa word na trigonon, which means triangle. And then nasa Wikipedia to, no, baka don't be so impressed with the fancy words, no? Nasa Wikipedia yan. And then we have a metron, no, which means measure, no? So I think from those two words ay malalaman niyo na kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng trigonometry. So it is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between sides, no, or lengths, no, or maybe just sides and angles of triangles. So, kala mo ano lang, no, yung triangle ay napakasimple lang, but one branch of mathematics pala yung dedicated sa kanya, at yan ay ang trigonometry. So just to give you a brief overview, maraming applications yung trigonometry, no? Halimbawa, meron tayong building, no, matangkad or masyadong mataas na building, and we want to measure the height, no? Hindi naman natin kailangang hindi natin kailangang talaga i-measure yan, no? It's either halimbawa meron siyang shadow, no? Meron siyang shadow yung building, and makuha nyo yung length ng shadow, di ba? Because nasa ground naman siya, no? And you get the measure of the angle, no? Pwede yung kunin yung measure nitong angle na to, and then the length, which can be measured because this is on the ground, no? So, lakarin nyo lang yan. Pag lagay lang kayo ng panukat, no? So, pwede nyo nang sukatin, and pwede natin makuha yung length itong side na to, no? Or sa problem natin yung height ng building. So, yung mga ganyan, hindi natin kailangan umakyat. And another very important application of trigonometry ay nasa astronomy, no? So, kung magme-measure tayo ng distance ng mga planets, no, from Earth, no, kailangan natin ng subject na trigonometry. Marami pa yan, and as we go on, siguro mababanggit natin yan isa-isa, no? But as of now, hindi ako magtataka dito because this is an introduction to the subject, no? I'll see you in the next tutorial. By the way, huwag nyo kalimutan yung ating Facebook page. Pwede nyo i-like, and yung ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph, no? Bisita kayo dito kasi napakarami na natin videos. We have more than 700 videos already uploaded. So, pwede nyo nang pwede tignan, no? Tapos aralin nyo. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.